It's finally happening. A-Reece will join Nasty C on his tour. The nation ain't just happy, the nation is happy AF. People who haven't followed Nasty C and A-Reece's come up may not understand why the streets are a mess after Nasty C officially announced that A-Reece will join him on his Ivyson, but the rest of us are losing our minds. The reason there's been a constant hype on the timeline since Nasty reached out to A-Reece to join him is because the two rappers are arguably the best thing to happen to rap since. To me from the volume. Asterisk you can happily at us because your faves are pop stars and pantsulas respectively. LOL asterisk. But on the real though, the youngins have a bright future in rap and have proved song after song that they have talent. Now just imagine what they can do together. That thought gave us goosies. This announcement really did make history and Mzansi can't wait to see the fruits of this collaboration. Mzansi is in for a treat. Nasty's announcement tweet had over 5,000 retweets, 19,000 likes, and over 700 comments. Just see the memes, it's all the proof you need.